everybody, it's Nina.
And Ernesto, the Happy Hustlers.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are e-commerce entrepreneurs selling on various platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, and ThredUp. Today's video, we are going to show you, Ernesto's going to show you.
I'll do what I can.
This should be interesting. Items that we are sending off to ThredUp. We sent probably 1,500 items.
A lot of items. It was a ton of boxes.
To ThredUp in, I think it was around April and May. This was back when you could send boxes to ThredUp where you could just print a label and send a box. Now, when you send something to ThredUp, you get these bags that they send you.
You get a little bag.
A huge bag, you should say.
It's still pretty big, but compared to a box,
it's also a little
difference.
It's interesting. Like, we have shoes here we're gonna show you. Not really sure how you ship shoes safely in a bag.
I don't know.
Personally, I would never ship shoes in a bag, but here we are. So we sent about 1,500 items off to ThredUp in May. I'm gonna be doing like what sold videos for all of that stuff and showing you the good and the bad and ugly of what sold on ThredUp. But today I wanna go through some things that I sourced specifically to sell on ThredUp. And we didn't send any of the shoes in when we did like the clean out of everything.
Right.
So we have shoes here that are just left over. These weren't sourced specifically for ThredUp, but I thought I'd show them here. So Ernesto is going to show everything. He probably doesn't know.
I'll just describe it to the best of my ability, which most likely will be wrong, but we'll go with it.
If you've been following our channel for a while, we have an older video, and it's like a liquidation.com unboxing.
Oh yeah.
Where you were describing things. That's like 2 years ago or something. Yeah, that was a rough one. Okay, do you want to start with the shoes?
Sure, we can start with the shoes.
Okay. So like I said, these were just leftover shoes we had that I just want to get out of our house and get sold. So we're gonna send them to ThredUp.
All right, so we got some shoes. Let me show it to you guys.
You can get them a little closer.
You know, they're blue. Slip-ins. I don't know what you guys call it, but it's a cool material.
What's the brand?
Oh, the brand is Tom's. So is the brand Tom's there? I don't know Tom's, but
You don't know Tom's?
I do not know Tom's.
Do you know Tom?
No, I do not know Tom either. But these are nice. These are cool looking shoe.
They're open toe.
Open toe.
Every single one he's gonna say, these are cool. These are cool.
Most likely, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you an easy one.
Okay.
I think you can describe these shoes.
Okay, so we got here some, these are not platform shoes. What are those called again?
Come on, you know I wear these.
Wedges. These
Wedges.
are wedges. Okay, I got that one. Open toe. I don't know if there's closed toe wedges, but
There could be.
These are open toe wedges. Again, this is Lucky brand. So Lucky brand right there. And it has kind of a little goldish kind of sparkle to it. And yeah, that's a cool looking shoe.
But like a counter for how many times this man says the word cool.
It's gonna be a lot of cool counters.
Funny thing is like most of these shoes are summer shoes, and we're filming this in October. But honestly, by the time this stuff gets checked into ThredUp, it's probably going to be
next summer.
Next summer, so you know, maybe it's perfect timing.
It's perfect timing. Okay. So we got some more wedges here. This is the brand Coach. I'm just gonna zoom in on that. You can see kind of get the Coach in there. And again, another wedges and very open toe here. So do not go to a warehouse with this. And brown looks very nice. Again, cool.
Cool. Yeah, these should do good because they're Coach, which is a good brand.
Yeah, Coach is a great brand. I even know Coach.
You know Coach? Wow. Again, a summer shoe. Oh, here's more of like a wintry fall shoe.
There we go. All right, so we got closed toe, very important. Brown, very nice. The brand is Clark's. Clark's.
Do you know that brand?
I do know Clark's.
You do?
I do know Clark's.
Who taught you that?
I do not know, but Clark's are definitely very cool. Very nice brand.
Let's see.
And these are great for kind of going out, especially in the fall, you know?
Yeah, they're like a little
blue dress or something with some brown shoes. I don't know if you do that.
Are you dressing them now?
I don't know, just recommendations.
If you need a stylist.
I'll do what I can.
All right, let's get you with a little mystery here. See if you know this brand.
Okay, this brand here is Dance Co. I do not know. That's it?
Yeah.
Hey, we got Dance Co right here. I'm assuming it's a nice brand.
Yeah, it's a good brand.
It's a good brand, so that's Very nice. Open toe again.
These are sandals.
Oh, these are sandals, so definitely open toe.
Yeah, they're like really like strappy.
Yeah, these look really nice. Good for summer, walking around, going to stores and all that good stuff. So pretty cool.
This is gonna be one of the best videos we've ever filmed.
We'll see.
Hands. Okay. You know this brand.
All right, so here we got Cole Haan. Yeah, I think I've heard of this. Cole Haan.
You think you've heard of Cole Haan? You have Cole Haan shoes.
I have Cole Haan shoes?
Yes.
Oh, Cole Haan, very nice.
You're like some of your dress shoes?
Oh, yes, very nice. So,
he doesn't remember because he hasn't been to the office since he's been working from home.
Yeah, it's been a while, so I don't even know what my dress shoes look like. I didn't know what color they are either. But these are very nice. These are nice slip-ons. Sure, so we'll go with slip-ons. Very nice, very nice blue color. We should do really good.
Cole Haan isn't really anything like tag wise. There's a price on that. We should get rid of that. You see it?
Cole Haan, pretty cool.
This man doesn't even know what's in his closet. That's probably because I buy most of his clothes.
Do not.
You know this brand. You definitely know this brand.
Okay, let's go with I know this brand trick
this
again.
Brand.
This is Steve Madden. I know him. Plays good football. I'm joking. I know who Steve Madden is for a shoe. These are nice. These are
Who are you?
These are weird. These are very unique.
Eclectic.
Eclectic.
It's like a cork. It's like a multicolored.
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool.
Cork flat, and then Steve Madden.
Steve Madden. So those should be nice.
They're a little they've been flattened a little bit, probably from the tote they were sitting in being squished.
Been fine a little bit, looking for a foot to fit in. So those are excited to get sold.
You should do all of the haul videos.
All right, Lucky brand again. This is a wedge, so I've learned that. Kind of similar to the other one.
Yeah, I think it's kind of the same shoe.
Very similar shoe, very stylish. Good for summer and hanging around.
Would you wear them?
I will not wear these. This is not my style, but it looks pretty cool.
So you can see Lucky brand again. It's basically the same shoe as the other one, except just a different color.
Okay, what do we got here?
This one you definitely know.
All right, this is J. Crew. I do know J. Crew.
Yeah.
It's a very nice, very summer shoe. Very open toe.
It's a sandal.
So someone can step on you on this, it would hurt. But these are pretty nice. This wraps around your leg, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So I know that. So I think it's gonna be like something like this, I guess.
Yeah, like wraps around. Yeah, it's hard to kind of see it when it's like this. But
it's cool.
There we go. J. Crew. I think that is it for the shoes. So you did okay with the shoes, but
all right, we got some right ones.
When it gets to describing clothing,
that's gonna be rough. So I apologize for every brand that I will screw up from now on. So disclaimer, I apologize.
Luckily, a lot of them are actually just the same brand. So once you get it right the first time, you should be okay. So,
all right.
So these are items that I source specifically. I source them online to sell on ThredUp. I'm hoping that most of these will sell for over $100 each.
Oh wow.
Like the price. That won't be the payout, obviously, but. All right, go for it.
All right, so here we got Acris Punto. Hopefully I'm saying that right.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Acris Punto, yeah.
Acris Punto.
I could be saying it wrong too. Brands are definitely not my thing.
Or it could be Acris Punto. Nobody knows. Leave your thoughts on the comments below. So it's a nice jacket. It's pretty cool.
It's a blazer.
There's a pretty fresh blazer. This is actually pretty stylish, I think. Nice white with the black outline.
I think it's blue.
Blue? Is it blue? Maybe like a dark blue, very dark navy
like
blue.
a navy.
But this is very stylish. This is very nice.
Yeah, I'll show the tag. There's a couple for this brand in there.
I think you got it.
Yeah, so that's the tag. Acris Punto blazers do pretty well on
ThredUp. That's a nice blazer. Very nice.
And that'll be good for this time of year. I mean, again, I don't know when this stuff's going to get checked in, so
okay,
we'll see.
Go. Oh, we got another Acris. Not a Punto, just an Acris. I don't know if that matters.
Oh, interesting.
This is just an Acris. There's another blazer.
It's kind of hard to see because it's
It's very nice. Very
black,
soft material. This is
What is this material here?
I have no idea.
What is that?
Is that a velvet?
Velvet, yeah.
Yes. Sorry, I thought that's only for cakes, but velvet. So velvet, it's really nice, very soft.
It has like velvet trimming on it. The pockets are velvet too.
Yeah,
it's kind of hard to see on the
with all the black. But
yeah.
It's very stylish. It's very, very stylish.
Yeah.
So, Acris again. Like I said, no puntos. I don't know if that matters, but we got an Acris blazer. Okay, what we got here? Oh, here we go. We have an Acris Punto this time.
I really went for the blazers just because blazers.
Oh, it's a good time of year for blazers.
And just blazers, people pay more for blazers.
Right.
Career
this is very
pieces.
nice.
As ironic as it is that people are not really going to the office right now, but
Right.
hopefully starting next year or sometime.
No, this would be great for the office. Very stylish. Looks very cool. This one has like a pattern to it. I don't know if you can tell.
If you like pull it close or make it a little closer,
you can kind of see there's some patterns to it. Very sleek. This is what I call fresh. It's very nice.
Is this black or blue?
This
It's
looks
black.
black to me.
Okay, yeah, it's black. So I think that might be it for the blazers. All right, what is this? I think this is a dress. How about it, buddy?
All right, we have a dress here. This is a blue dress. Obviously, this has no sleeves or shoulder sleeves only. I don't know if that's a style.
Sleeveless.
Sleeveless.
That's the brand.
Oh, brand is very important. This is a Carolina Herrera. So that's what we're gonna go with, Carolina Herrera. And it's nice. It's very nice. This could be very stylish.
Why are you rolling your R's?
Well, it's a double R. I'm trying to give, say it how it's supposed to be said. So, I mean, you guys be the judge of that. It's a double R there with, it's a Carolina Herrera. So, I think that's how you say it correctly.
No, that's definitely not how you say it.
Oh, well, it sounds right to me.
But
it's very nice.
Yeah, just like a career dress. Oh, that was a good one. I did not expect you to roll your R's. You can't help it. It's just in your blood, man.
Well, it's a double R, so...
But it's not Spanish.
Well...
It is now.
It is now. So, what do we got here? Is this a dress or is this a skirt? This is a skirt.
Yeah.
This is a skirt, It's very nice color, very nice material.
What kind of skirt is that?
It's not a pencil skirt.
It is.
This is a pencil skirt?
High five!
Whoa!
Who taught you that?
I think you did.
Okay, cool.
So I got a pencil skirt here, and brand is Acris Punto. So that stuff is hot.
I basically just bought a bunch of Acris Punto stuff.
Yeah, this is very nice. I really like the color, and it's very soft material. It's very nice.
Is it cool?
It's very cool.
Okay. This might be Acris Punto too.
All right, this is another skirt. I don't think this is pencil. I think this is regular skirt. It's just a regular.
It's a pencil skirt. Yeah, it's
Okay,
a pencil skirt.
This is also Acris Punto. So
And this is like I don't know what to call this material either, but it's like a thicker material.
It's a thicker material, good for the fall. Obviously red, very poppin'. So it looks really cool.
My dog just showed up.
Yeah, we got a dog here hanging out. But this is very nice. Another nice product.
Yeah, cool.
Cool.
Okay. All right, last item.
This is...
You always look so confused when you pick an item up. You're like, what is this?
Well, I'm gonna make sure I know where it is. This is a Hervey Ledger Paris.
Hervey?
Herv Ledger?
Herb Ledger, yeah.
Herv.
I'm pretty sure it's Herv, not...
Herv Ledger Paris. So,
Herb.
No, it's not Herb because it's not a B. Herv Ledger Paris is a dress. This is a nice evening dress. Good for partying.
Yeah, like a cocktail dress or something.
Cocktail dress, have some nice drinks with this. It's cool colors, like a blue...
What size is this?
Blue midnight. She's already checking the size, seeing if she wants to keep it.
It looks a little small for me. I can't
But
figure out
it's
what
very
this is.
nice.
Oh, it's a medium. I might try this on. Where am I going? There's a pandemic. So that is
That's it.
everything.
We hope these items sell very good. I apologize if I butchered any of those
It was
names.
great entertainment.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's my pleasure. But hopefully these items will do good. I mean, we'll obviously we're doing ThredUp.
I kind of just did a little experiment with like sourcing some things just to sell them on ThredUp and kind of see how it goes. But the issue right now is just there's really delayed shipping or processing times with ThredUp. Right. So when we sent the 1,500 items off, I think it took about 2 to 3 months to get stuff processed. So we'll see how it goes, but we're going to send this stuff off here shortly. You guys can see a dog tail.
Just hanging around in the back.
Yeah. All right. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed all of Ernesto's lovely commentary, go ahead and smash the like button, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video.
Thank you, everybody.